Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to delete Windows boot entries. So without further ado, let's get right into it. These are the entries inside the BCD store, boot configuration data, that Windows uses. Open Command Prompt as administrator, and type, list all entries. Look under Windows Boot Loader or Windows Boot Manager. Identify the entry you want to remove and copy it. Each entry has a GUID, identifier. Delete the entry. Replace identifier with the identifier of the unwanted boot entry. This removes the unwanted boot entry from the BCD store. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.